So guys, this is the meat that we're buying. So this is the beef that we're going to make a bolalo. So my friend, she cleaned it and then she cut into small size on that. And then I think this one we have to remove a little bit cutting. Yeah. You have to remove a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Because you know we are like 5 people to eat that one. For sure. So now we are just going to boil this one in the pressure cooker because this one is beef and it will take maybe how many minutes? Maybe 30 minutes or something. So that's why we decided to make we will cook this one in the rice in the pressure cooker. Okay. Just cut that one there. Tanggalan mo siya ng mga kanya-kanya. And this one as well, na? I thought you sleep. You are so mean. I think you went somewhere.
Ate, anong ilalagay ko dito? Para alam ko kung
Jasmine, I guess,
boil water only, then put onions.
yeah, I think just, yes.
Boiling. That's it. Put salt. That's it.
No, didn't put. This one, you have to cut this one.
And then that is only boiling. Then put this.
Jasmine.
No tomato, ha?
Jasmine, just remove this one, right? Because
Yeah.
you know we have a lot of people to eat from this.
Yeah.
Even the
Dear, don't put tomato, ha? No tomato, that one. And that's it.
just remove this one, babe. That is part of that.
Ano like that? When boiling, put ingredients, that's it.
Oh, tanggalan mo siya ng mga ganito pa. Ako yung konti lang pa. Kasi alam mo namang 5 tayo kakain yan. Oh my gosh. Pressure cooker is there. Oh my god, the pressure cooker is there. They're using it. Just hang on a second. I guess we have to remove the food inside, I guess. Because we are borrowing. Okay. This is already empty. So we need to clean this one and then pressure cooker. Can you please keep your cell phone on the side or else it's gonna spoil that? No, I will not show your face because your face is so beautiful, Habibi. Actually, she is hiding. It's because she is my chef for today. So she said and she requested that I don't show my face. Oh my god, don't clean a lot with this one because you know our sponge is so mean after that. Yeah, I don't know what happened in our, our gas range is very dirty and it's very jerky there. Because this one, who cooked that one is the Nepali people. So there's a turmeric, there is like the masala one, right? Smell masala. So clean it properly, my dear, or wash with the sabon. You have a lighter, right? And then after 5 o'clock or 6, no, even like 4:30, we have to go for the grocery, right? So that we can just go for the supermarket. Because we are going to buy some stuff in there. For our 1 month, 1 month budget, right? My friend. For 1 month budget, right? 1 month grocery. Lamborghini at Shania, you know. Where's the water on that? Yeah, wow. Why like that style, my friend? The smell. Why you have problem, my friend, in your mouth? You have to cut that vegetables na. Yeah, but you have to cut it na. So that I can say the proper, proper way of how to make a bulalo in our own way. You can just keep it here, or no, just there's a rice on there. Oh my God, he keep anywhere that beef. Can you please don't smoke while cooking? What the F? You are so addict in the cigarette. Can I just put my camera somewhere so that I can just see my face while we are cooking our bolalo? Would you mind if you can? No, I guess it's not showing from here. Or maybe if I gotta put the camera in this side, and we should be careful on that. Oh my God, please. So did you clean this vegetable? So now she is cutting the cabbage. Oh my God, don't move your shoulder. And then in our bulalo, we are making this potato. So she peel it in the small pieces. You want my help? You need my help? Okay, I will just cut that. How many onion? Oh my God. You are so possible. Can you please move, please? So guys, I'm just cutting the 3 onion. Because this lady, she is very slow for cutting the onion. The onion is the life of my friend. Because, she likes onion. You like onion, my friend? Now I'm starting crying. I'm starting crying with the onion. I need to wash this. Cut now. I think enough that kind of cutting. So there's no proper way of cutting the onion in the bulalo, okay? Like this only, like this. You know what? I'm hungry actually, because I already removed the things that the food that it's inside. You know. Well, what happened to the rice now? Oh, this one you already cut out? It's from what na habit. Ah, this one. Okay, okay. Ah, I'm crying. Oh my gosh. Okay, class. This is the onion. Okay, my friend, I'm done with my task. Onion cutting. Where's our cleaning thing? Ever? Oh my gosh. So here we go. Here we go. This is how I cut my onion. The onion, okay? So actually, while we are while we are in the grocery or in the meat shop, I just put my laundry. So if you can see there, that's my clothes inside and it's done already. And then the rest of my clothes I keep it in the bucket. This is my clothes in 1 week because I didn't wash for 1 week, so like that. So after this, today, tomorrow, cutting my friend for the potato. Cut it from here now. And you can put all together maybe in one plate. And where's the spring onion? Later na. Yeah, just wash it na. Ah, you should put this. You know, I forgot. Me and Jasmine is our bulalo. We put also some carrots. Carrots. Yeah. It's so nice. It's so you have to put the carrots, you know. Just use these carrots and the this one, the capsicum, the bell pepper. It's very nice. And lots of vegetables. And you know already that I like vegetables. Vegetables is so yummy. You can use the big knife. Why you're making yourself difficult? And this is not the way you are cutting this one. Okay, fine. Just a little bit scrub only the potato. This one, carrots. Okay, let me do it for you. Okay. Oh my God, this lady, she don't know how to cut this one, the carrots. So let me do this for her. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm very fast. See, fast, very fast cutting on carrots, my friend, like this. You should know everything you do, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul, baby. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration and giving to my life. Oh, diba? This is how I cut my carrots. Okay? Because it's very yummy. Yummy if you have lots of... Oh, it's so hot. Oh my God, what you did? Da la la. Oh la la, oh la la la. Because And then I'm gonna cut the bell pepper like this way. So this is the bell pepper for our bololo. Ta-da! Okay. And then we're having some spring onion. Oh my god, this is so... Ah! They just tied the spring onion like this way, guys.
Ate, ilalagay na natin ito lahat.
No, the letter O na.
Later na, diba? Yung
Yeah, just
kami
boiled
nila.
only the carne, the beef.
Sabi pa kulo na tayo.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, that's fine. Just boil the beef na so that we can take a rest, my friend. Okay, guys. So this is my spring onion. My spring onion. So everything is in one plate, guys. Everything is in one plate, okay? And then we having our vegetables from here. So we have the cabbage, we have the sili, the laboyo, and then there's also some potato from here. Okay? So yeah, I'm done. And then there's a kamatis. But the tomato, one of my friends, Jasmine, she said that no need to use the tomato in the bulalo because it's a little bit sour. Okay, so yeah. So now she's started boiling the beef. And then it's very black from here na. Hang on. So here we go. And then see. Now you're boiling that one, right? Where's the beef? Can you show me the beef inside? This is the boiling water. I think you can put inside the beef na. It's amazing. Chang chananang. Hola. It's so yummy, this one after. Okay, so waiting for like totally boiled and then everything the recipe. So we will cover that one in the pressure cooker so it's easy. Yeah, it's like that only. Okay guys, so I'll just update with you like we will put all the ingredients later on, okay? Because this one we have to boil it and then she's fixing the... I think you broke it. Oh my gosh. Okay, see you again. See you for the update of our bololo.